When everybody asks me what I'm gonna cook, it's always my famous baked chicken because that's what my pops taught me.
I gotta tell you, the weekends were great because my dad would make these arepas.
He cooked every Friday night because my mom cooked all week long, so Friday nights was his night, and he made this dish, chicken, ziti, and broccoli.
And why it's so meaningful to me is because it's the first dish that he ever taught me how to make.
There was something about him making this dish. It was fun. It was fun to be around. He enjoyed doing it.
It was like no work, just him and me, and yeah, it was peaceful, you know?
Still to this day, I don't know why he uses ginger, but I would always remember that aroma from the ginger when I would come in from baseball practice. As soon as I would walk in, I would smell it.
And you could feel like the energy in the kitchen and being there. And
not only we were lucky just to have that family time, but to have something that came from our background, from a Colombian, South American background.
We like to buy everything as fresh as possible, so we frequent the supermarket quite often.
He would always go to Kroger to get the chicken.
That was a great time too, to go with my dad to the supermarket, spend some time with him.
I've taken the tradition that he's taught me and I've brought that into my household.
It makes that memory that much sweeter.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.